Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ram 1500 Big Horn 4x4 Hemi Crew Cab. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. The Auto Hub has a policy to provide the finest vehicle we can every time we put a vehicle up for sale. Every vehicle is inspected for safety, serviced, repaired if needed, and detailed fully to give you the best vehicle we can. Most of our older vehicles get brakes, new tires and frame sprays to ensure it looks and drives great the day you purchase a vehicle and for years to come. Our 90-day or 3,000-mile powertrain warranty is available on any vehicle under 100,000 miles free to you. It's our way of promising a great vehicle down the road. We accept trades in good working order of any kind. The Auto Hub is a family-owned dealership operated by Rochelle natives that are active in our community. We believe in giving you a no-pressure experience to ensure you will enjoy purchasing a vehicle at the Auto Hub today and in the future. Come see our key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.